Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by choosing ripe fruit with deep color and a little give, because ripeness affects texture and oil release. Once selected, clean the fruit and place it flat on a stable board so it won't roll. Make a shallow score around the equator, about 1/8 to 1/4 inch deep, to control the split, since an uncontrolled cut can crush the inner kernel. Then, angle the knife into the groove and apply steady pressure. Don't saw, push through in one clean motion. Once the score is complete, twist the two halves in opposite directions. This controlled motion separates flesh without smashing the seed, which matters if you need the kernel whole. Make use of a spoon or the back edge of the knife to scrape the orange mesocarp off in sections, because doing it in pieces reduces tearing and preserves oil-rich fibers. Collect any dripping liquid into a bowl. It contains valuable oil and flavor, so make sure to save it for later processing or tasting. To finish, trim any stubborn fibrous bits with the tip of your knife and rinse the pieces briefly under cool water to remove slip and residue. This prevents sticky handling later. If the kernel stays lodged, don't force a large cut. Instead, rescore the seam and use a thin wedge to pry it free, because excessive force risks splintering the seed. Once done, sanitize your tools and either refrigerate the cleaned fruit or proceed with oil extraction or cooking to preserve freshness.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.